basic answer is yes. Women can basically do whatever they want as far as this is concerned. So
what I usually recommend to women, especially if you're wearing a mini kilt, it kind of looks cute. Get a kid's sporran, either a medium or a large kid's sporran, which will still be smaller than a man's, but proportionately it looks much better on a mini kilt than a full masculine, man-sized sporran. So get a kid-sized sporran, fits your frame better, looks better with a mini kilt. You can even cock it off to the side, as long as you're not carrying a ton of stuff.
Yeah, I said definitely wearing it on the hip is more flattering.